Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. TR Tony here. This week we've got a really great video in from a guy we've known on the channel for some time, a guy called Simon Duke. He is now based in Australia. He was in the Middle East for a long time and then went back to Australia with his Triumph Stag. This today is a story of a journey he had out, and he sent in this video. So let's go over and see what he's been up to.
Hello TR Tony, hello Arry The Stag, roving reporter, it's Duke here. We've got a big weekend. It's the 100 years of the Triumph, and the idea here in Perth is to have 100 cars all down in a place called Guildford. So I've got my two all ready to go. I'm going to drop the yellow one off, cycle back, and then grab the which I call the racing stag. So look forward for you to join us, and there'll be so many stags and Triumphs that we can all look forward to. So hopefully you'll enjoy it. Arry The Stag. Okay guys, 5:30 in the morning at the Sparrows Watset, and we're about to take off, dropping off the yellow stag first. Fortunately you can't see me, I'm in lycra. So morning guys, I'm working up now, coffee's kicked in. So we're off to celebrate 100 years of Triumph down in Guildford in Western Australia. First drop off, the yellow 1974 Mark II, which I've had, as you know, for many years, to include some time in Dubai and then back to Perth. Originally a UK car, but driving very well at the moment. Got the cycle trip back, which is my most reliable wheels, about 20k, so yeah. This is the start of a beautiful day, beautiful morning, and let's hope we get 100 cars there. A few early birds have arrived. That's an early Triumph, the Mark II. This is the set for the scene. Very old part of Perth. And there she is, just waiting. I like to ride my bicycle, I like to ride my bike. I like to ride my bicycle, I like to ride it where I like. Arry The Stag. She goes. Stag 1. That's a 3-litre Triumph V8. Look at that bulge in the bonnet. Oh, sorry. What's under the bonnet?
Nothing that should be there.
Rover? Some white stags. So some modifications.
We're running out of stag space, David. We're running out of stag space. Too many stags. We might have to send some away. Well,
oh. Houston, we have a problem. Here we are, TR2, and the 100th Triumph come through the gate. So we made it. Yippee! Put the stag to work. It was last week, and there was this guy in a sort of 90s Range Rover driving behind me, which I, something different on the road. I took a bit of interest. Then he overtook me as I was nearing Mount Street, and his number plate was Stag 00 Stag, and then separately 00. So what I did, I pulled down my window and said, I gave him a thumbs up, right? But when I was doing that, by the time that I looked away, the lights were green, but I actually didn't realise they turned red. So I almost ran down like 10 pedestrians.
there's a little bit of sugar in there.
Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that. Simon is a right card. Thank you for all that effort, Simon. Really appreciate the cycling, and the Arry The Stag a few times was great to see. So hope you've had a great time since. So there you go guys, that's it for this week. Feel free to like, share and subscribe, and join us on the weekends on our email that goes out every Saturday called Saturday Sockets. The link will be in the description, and we'll see you online on Arry The Stag very soon. Cheers for now guys. Thanks Simon. Bye. Arry The Stag.